And we've created a live assistant for your browser session. While you're working as a programmer or a student, or even as a writer, you'll be able to see live feedback or live summarization from an LLM while you're working. So for example, let's say I'm a programmer and I'm trying to learn Flutter today. The first thing I'm going to do is try to go through some of the Flutter basics since I don't really know that much. Going to the official page, I might scroll through, try to read some more and see what I can find. Then I realized that I want to actually use Flutter for iOS. So I can try to go to the page for iOS, read through this a little bit more, and in the background, the LLM is going to constantly be understanding and using text from whatever I've been searching so far. So finally, I don't know if I really want to commit to Flutter, so I want to read some of the background information about it and its widgets. For this, I'm going to go to the Wikipedia page. Here, I'm reading through and I'm trying to make my decision, and I can quickly find that I want more information about these widgets. So what I can do is I can highlight this whole paragraph, and you can see an automatic Guardian button pop up. Using this, I can click on this, and Guardian will automatically look at all of the information from the web pages that I've seen in the past and look at what I'm looking at right now. Here, it's able to give me additional information about Flutter and its features, which is exactly what I need. Based on this, I can make my decision that I want to use Flutter for my app today. Now, let's switch the agent type to a student, where we have, instead of programmer-specific information, we'll have student-specific information. Using Launch Darkly, this is really easy. We can do this in real time dynamically by just flipping a switch in one of our feature flags, saving the changes, and automatically the LLM will now be serving a student.
Now, let's look at Guardian Agent through the lens of a student. So let's say I'm researching for a project on World War I. Let's see, how did it start first? So we click on this link, and when we click on this link, we're populating the contents of this website along with the URL to a Convex database, where later, upon query time, we'll use RAG to index and retrieve the most relevant information. So now that we've read through this article, let's open up another one. Let's do World War One, important figures. So now we're looking at this new article, and we're giving the LLM more and more context, and finally, let's go to World War One wiki. So once we get here, we can use all the context that we've accumulated, and with the student configured LLM, we've used Bedrock to swap out the prompt and specific model to give more tuned content for the student. So now that we've gathered our context, we can use this to search with Guardian. So now it's generating. And here we can see our tailored information as a student. We can see here, based on the information provided, here's a possible response for a student researcher.